Hello YouTube, I'm Lo, and in today's video, I and Kate are going to be teaching all of you how to do a Day of the Dead makeup tutorial.
I mean, you're just gonna be sitting there, I'll be doing the makeup.
You will need crayons.
Those are face paint.
Nah. White.
White?
Yeah.
Okay.
White. And just color. And then other little random colors.
Also a sponge.
And sponge.
You just put your freaking finger in the paint. Okay, well you started. The first step.
Oh, the first step is to put up your hair if you have long hair.
You already had your freaking hair up.
Well, I didn't like it.
The first step is to cover the entire face in white. Okay, so just because we're filming and Lauren has to take this off after, I am not going to blend it down into her neck because you would cry. So instead I'm just gonna leave it here. But if you were to do this for Lauren, put it down. If you were gonna do this for Halloween, I would suggest blending it down into the neck and
your
also
hands.
Onto your ears. No, maybe not into your hands. Wear gloves or something because you can clearly see the skin tone difference. So now, I'm going to take our crayons, and I'm going to draw black circles.
Oh, she thought I was mad at her.
Around her eyes.
This is so destroyed. I'm like crying a little bit.
You're so lucky you don't have a sibling, Emily.
Jesus. This is something younger sibling has to go through. How?
Lauren, look at the camera. Okay, makeup artist.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Look at me!
To makeup artist, it's important to wash your hands between steps or else you look like this. So
I'm done.
So the next step is to add in details. I have two reference pictures that I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to go in.
Nothing to say.
I'm going to go in with my crayons and add details around my face.
Not tomorrow when we go to school, but like, hey, I want it, and then she just burst out laughing.
She's like, ooh. Last night was rough, Laura.
Yeah, she's like, no, sorry, we're not forgetting.
It's not really working. Okay, so change of plans. We're not doing Day of the Dead makeup anymore. She's gonna be a panda.
A panda.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, well, I've already done it. I extended the line on her from her nose to through her cupid's bow to her lip, and now I'm just outlining her top lip in black.
This is a really good exposing point for Emily.
Lily's like, cha-ching!
Okay, so honestly, I've given up with this. It's really gone downhill.
Oh yeah, I'm giving up. It's my face. No, the real challenge is taking it off. We should film that too.
You look like a dog disguised as a panda.
Whoa, that's so low.
Look at me, I'm gonna try to fix it, but honestly at this point I don't think that's possible.
This has been a real fail.
Is this your lowest point on YouTube?
It sure has been. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe up there for more of none of these videos ever again, because they will not be promoted on this channel again. Well, that's the end of Lauren, and now I gotta go take a shower and wash my face off and cry. Bye! Bye!
We're probably just gonna jump scare.